It is the 22nd of February 2024. This is WIKISPEED Standup, even though I'm sitting down today. Go ahead, Lauren.
Okay. So this is Lone Salter, Gabriel Island, British Columbia, Canada. And past week, I did a whole lot with the Pi, turning it on and connecting it. Actually, I think I actually finished all the wiring. Yeah, finished all the wiring and then turned it on and then got stuck on the things to do with connecting with the Pi, but I just finished that, and so that's what I did in the past week. And coming week, then I hope to finish it, at least finish, and maybe with your help, get the remote control testing of it. And then, did you ever get? Okay, we'll go to crosstalk for this. So I want to find out if you ever got the ball following, because I found a blue ball. I think you need a red ball. I found a blue ball. Anyway, coming week, yeah, that's the coming week is keep working on the Pi car. Um, Hopefully get to Trello and record some of the jobs to do and the other stuff. And then for crosstalk, bookmark here to do we want to try just since we're a small team, just the mobbing, AI mobbing or whatever, uh, where you don't seem to do the backlogs because it's a small team and you sort of know. Um, but anyway, I'll do it anyway because we're going to be keeping up some of the Scrum discipline, I'm sure.
Mm-hmm.
So those are the two goals to get as far as I can with the Pi car remote control and uh, the record documents and things in Trello. And blocks are, I guess, we're muddling through the connection business, but I'm way ahead. I unhooked in case it would help, I unhooked the Ethernet. I unhooked the cable. So I've been doing everything today with the cable unhooked. Right? Yeah, yeah. Uh, because I figure we're going to be. Well, I don't know. And I don't know how that works with. So that's another question for crosstalk. What's the interrelationship if I get it hooked up with Wi-Fi and then uh, plug it in?
Okay.
And like my desktop, if the cable gets unconnected, it looks for Wi-Fi and it can connect by Wi-Fi to handle set. But I don't know exactly how that works. So anyway, that's it for me.
Okay. It's Michael Wilczuk, Saskatoon, Canada. For the past week, I did a little bit on Little Red Wagon and Sunfounder, so I loaded the last Pi image from Ubiquity Robotics. I did get it logged into my network. It did the updates and the upgrades, but Samba appears to be different. So Samba is the thing that lets you map a directory on your Raspberry Pi as a network drive on your laptop so that you can use your laptop to do the editing and compiling and stuff like that. And then when you're done, you just copy it to the Raspberry Pi and tell the Raspberry Pi to run it. And I haven't looked through the Samba documentation to find out what changed. So that's where I stopped. That's where I stopped on that one. But I did find my missing Raspberry Pi power supply. I got the batteries charged. So I'm ready to progress that. I just got busy with other stuff. Didn't really get anything else done. A little bit more runtime on the temperature monitoring, and I didn't get to the WIKISPEED website processing. It's been 3 weeks now. I have to get back to that and finish it so that it's easy to add people that fill out the application online. Um, anyway, hopefully that will be done next week. Next week we're looking at progressing the SunFounder ROS software, get it running again, hopefully, and a little bit of documentation on the pump runtime stuff, temperature runtime, and the website processing. I have to remember how I made things work and see if I can get it to. It's still going to run on our local computers, but it will allow you to run it, get everybody that's signed up in the last week, put their email address into CSV files for adding to Trello and adding to the Google group, and it should be relatively easy to process. At least that's the goal. Um, Blocks, none, but still somehow I didn't do a whole lot of time on WIKISPEED projects last week. I'm not sure what exactly I did, but the week went away. Back to you.
Yeah, okay. First, I'm gonna do the blocks. So, because I was thinking of the technical blocks and getting them connected, but I'm also doing. People are asking me to do some web things, website, and uh, other things in other groups that I'm doing, like sending out mass emails. So I'm going to give myself a 10. I got as much or more as I expected, and the team a 10, and uh, the process improvement is the website. And back to you.
Okay, I got 2 out of 6 done for the week. One for stand up, so I'm going to give myself a 4. I'm going to go with 9 for the team because I'm bringing down the average. And process improvement. We really have to get that website stuff streamlined, and both of us have to be able to do it before we can count that one as complete. So that pretty much takes us through our stand-up. You want to go through this stuff on camera or off?
Off.
Okay. Stop recording.